Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Hair by Giang. Today in this video I'm going to share with you top 4 tips how to styling your hair fast. You know, like to me, I prefer to spend my time in the morning with my kids, talk to them or sit and have breakfast and relax and do something with them. So I really don't want to spend to 15 or 20 minutes to styling my hair. Kind of I'm lazy, right? So that's why I really want to find the way to make my hair good and always feel like confident, but have to be quick. So I'm going to share with you what I think and how I styling my hair every morning, just 2 minutes. So tip number 1, prep your hair before you go to bed. What I mean, so if you do any kind of hairstyle, but if you prep your hair, it will be much quicker and easier for you. So to me, I kind of like messy bun or messy up style. So I like to make my hair a little bit wavy. So, and in the morning, I don't really need to spend a lot of time like curl my hair before I style it. So what I do is I roll my hair before I go to bed. So in the next day, I just style whatever I feel. It's just super quick and easy. If you really want to know how to roll your hair before bed, overnight curl, check the link above here so you can see that and how I do it. Okay, so tip number 2, technique. What I mean, so very important when you look on the photo, okay, I like this hairstyle, you really need you to know that what technique they are using, what first, what next, and then what last. When you look in that picture, you will know that, and it make you do style faster. So if you don't know the technique how to do it, research, find about that, and you will know what technique you need to use in that particular hairstyle. So for example, if you look at the hairstyle, is have like messy low bun and it have a little bit braid in there and a little bit hair wavy. So what technique to do first? The first thing, have to curl hair first to make hair a little bit wavy texture. The next one is have to do on the back first, and then the next will be the braid on the side, and the next is will be check around in your face. So basically you need to know a little bit about that before you decide to do what you want. Let me give you an example. For example, if you are planning to make to cooking like chicken fried rice, for example, before you go to cook chicken fried rice, first you need to prepare rice. Have to cook rice first. Next you have to chop all ingredients you need. Then you have to boil the chicken or do some prepare for that. You really need to know what step 1, step 2, step 3. If you know exactly and prepare for that, then you will cook faster. Is that right? I'm not a good cooker, but I say that. So for you, easy to imagine. So hair the same. If you really want to do particular that hairstyle, really need you to know what first, what next, what last. So that's super important to me. So I hope you can, if you don't know that, try to learn, research and invest your skill. Tip number 3, tool. What I mean, so for example, if you want to do messy up style, so first you need to do like a little bit texture and wavy. So to me, if I just need a little bit texture and wavy, I prefer to get the small tool like that side. So I refer to you this one instead like this one. This one is big and this one is smaller. Why is that? So if I use the smaller like that, I will section my hair probably 3 or 4 sections and I curl it, and that would be finished curl in 5 minutes. If I use the big one, especially if someone have really thick hair and use this one, it takes at least 30 minutes to 45 minutes for just prep the hair, because have to take many sections, and then because this one is too big, so that's why you really can't see that, and the hair is long, it drop the hair, so you won't see that curl. So that's why use the small like that and take about 4 or 5 sections or 3 to 5 sections. It depends how thick your hair. Then you finish prep just in 5 minutes. Then you can do style very quick and easy. That's right. So if you use the big one like that, after you style, you curl, you prep the hair, it takes so long, and then it makes you really exhausted, sore hand, hurt, and feel, oh my god, I really don't want to do any style. So that's why tool is so important. Have to choose the right tool for the right hairstyle. Tip number 4, products. Hairstyling product is super important to me, because to me I understand that the hairstyling products help you to keep the hairstyle last longer, add more texture, and make your hair feel full, nice, and beautiful, and last for whole day. So to me, for example, if you have very fine hair and you really want to make your hair look thicker and fuller with any kind of hairstyle, so to me, texture spray that's the right product for you to choose. So instead of hairspray, why is that? When you use the texture spray, it's not that heavy and it always feel more nice and natural. If you use hairspray, sometimes it's too heavy, and then you styling it, sometimes it stick together and so hard for you to move. So that's why it's so important for you to choose the right products. Also, if you have like hair is really easy to drop and it doesn't last long, again, texture spray is help. You put the texture spray in before you curl, then you put texture spray after. If you get out the door and you just really don't want the wind it affect your hair, so you can add a little bit really light hairspray outside, so that will help your hairstyle last longer. So recap for 4 tips. That the first is prep your hair. The next one is have to know basic technique. The third one is you really have to choose the right tool, and the last is the products. That is super important. If you know roughly about that, you will improve your skill to upstyling your hair very fast. So I hope this video to help you to know how to styling your hair faster.